What's the meaning of alterable? Alterable. 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 Alterable.
The term alterable refers to something that can be changed or modified. It implies a flexibility or malleability in the object or concept being referred to, suggesting that it is mutable and subject to alteration. The ability for something to be altered can be a positive trait, as it allows for adaptation and improvement over time, or a negative trait, as it can be unstable or unreliable. Ultimately, the meaning of alterable depends on the context in which it is used and the specific characteristics of the thing being described.